Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I have another iPhone 11 and I got this one off of Vinted. So I got it for about £72 including the buyer protection fee and postage. So it's come in this bag. I assume it's probably a carrier bag, taped up, and it feels like there's some cardboard inside. So this is a green iPhone 11 and it comes with a box, so that's why the package is this big. So let's just tell you what, to be fair, this is probably the best package I've had a phone come from Vinted in for a while. So it's all wrapped in this cardboard. So let's undo that. And then you have another bit of cardboard. And then the phone is in there. So hair on the box. The box is looking pretty good condition. That's the wrong way around. Finally, unlike the two iPhones I had off eBay, the box actually closes. And as you can tell by it being the big size box, this would have been an iPhone 11 purchased before September 2020, as after that is when they stopped giving you the plug and the boxes went to about half the size. So let's open it. So as you can see, we have the phone. Couple scratches near the Apple logo. They're quite deep for around there. Usually it's all around the edges like this. Yeah, it's got a few scratches on the back. The screen's got a few on it. Nothing too bad though. Looks pretty clean at the bottom, to be fair, especially for one of this age. So we'll get it turned on. And we've got some paperwork with it. Yep. SIM tool, hello. See, loads of people complain about the Apple stickers not coming with phones anymore, but the amount of phones I get that still come with both the Apple stickers, you can see why they stopped giving us it. And we've got no charger or plug. So, as I can see, I can already tell this is on iOS 26, which is unfortunate. See, it takes ages on iOS 26. It doesn't take this long on iOS 18. So, it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Yeah, I bet it will. So we'll see if Face ID works. Face ID set up with no issues. So I'll make a password. Won't be transferring anything. Don't want to log in with my iCloud. So, welcome. So, let's have a look. iOS 26.2, 64GB of storage. And it also said no SIM restriction, so battery is 76, which is expected for the phone being this old. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys come back for the next one. Bye.